I'm going to start by taking my paper that I painted and drew my lines on and flipping it over. With a paper plate at the very top, using my black crayon, I'm going to draw a line from the corner to the plate. These lines are diagonal. And I am going to draw a curve across the top of the paper plate. Then I'm going to use my scissors and very carefully cut along this line. This is the shape of the top of the monster's head. The triangles will be the ears and the curve will be the top of the head. I am now going to get my black paper, and with a white crayon, I am going to trace the big bowl that I have, and I'm going to trace a big circle. Now, with the cap of the glue stick, I am going to very carefully trace 2 little circles. So I am making 1 big circle and 2 little circles. Now with my scissors, I am very carefully going to cut out all 3 circles. Then I am going to set them to the side and save them. Don't lose your pieces. Hold on to them. Put them someplace safe. Cut all the way around the big circle. Now I'm going to take the big circle and cut it in half, because I only need half of the big circle for the mouth. Now with the white paper and the black crayon, don't use the white crayon, I'm going to draw 2 medium circles. My 2 medium circles will be traced with the red cup. Then I'm going to make a long line on the edge of my paper. And between the edge of my paper and my line, I am going to draw a zigzag that touches both the edge of the paper and the line. Now I'm going to cut out my medium circles and set them to the side. Once you are done cutting out your medium circles, I am going to cut out the teeth. I'm going to start by cutting the line. Then I'm going to cut the triangles. The zigzag made triangles, so I'm just going to snip them off. Once you have cut out all the teeth, you can start gluing your pieces onto your monster. First, I glue the white medium circles for the eyes. After that, I take the black circles, the tiny ones, and I can put them anywhere I want. My monster could be looking any direction. He could be looking up or down or in the middle or to the side. Then I'm going to take half of my large circle, my semicircle, and with the flat side going up and the curve going down, I'm going to glue it onto my monster for his mouth. Then one at a time, I am going to glue on some teeth. Take your time and glue the teeth on carefully. Some of the teeth should go at the top and some of the teeth should go along the bottom curve, always with the point of the triangle pointing towards the middle of the mouth. That's looking pretty good. Once I've glued on all of my teeth for my monster, I am finished. I'm going to clean up my materials, throw away my trash, put everything away, and celebrate my line monster art.